Benny, make a video of the hotel room and the price. No worry, I go make and give una before even tell una the rules and regulation. Add extra salt and maggi join her as it is sweet pass.
As we just enter the hotel, I dey roll the boss like big boy. I say, "Mona, follow me. I'm taking you guys on holiday." Madam wait first, they say, "Why you choose here? Why you choose here?" As I tell her, say, "This hotel near your brother house, so she can't calm down. Honey, take over. I don't tire, babe."
Why you go tire? Continue.
I know they do again. I walk.
Alright guys, this one at the reception they bowl. You see as it day like this, so it's not too bad for the amount. Normally the price was 590 something on the website. As we choose 3 days, they can't make discount for us, bring it down to 550 something. I can't remember the small price when they're on top. So this one at the reception, like I said before, is not bad. So this one now, 3 people they gather together. I know me just they had my own join now. I know say sort of maggi no day, you know go sweet enough for here. So this one at the bar, I know say this bar is not made for me and my husband because we know they drink. This one at the reception, Oga don't carry key finish, so we don't they push ahead. This one at the outside, it's just near outside sha. At least just take a walk. When I go see where we they enjoy for night, they take our leg, they waka out the fine places.
As we just dey enter, don't they give madam sign say no go dey say na sleep, you can't sleep. Oh, this room now to get it down. If baby don't sleep,
Get it down.
you go get down. Don't worry.
Let me continue my explanation, Joy. Guys, this one are the room where we see for inside the website. I'm not confused. I'm not surprised. If human being can have makeup, a black person will come out very light in the picture. You come they say, who is this Angelica? So why room won't have makeup? It will have makeup. It's far different from what we see on the website, but it's not bad. Normally, like I said, everybody now is not filter and filterable. Wait, oh, the rules and regulation in this hotel say when I saw for the elevator, say thou shall not order food and drink outside. I don't understand. Waiting I want to chop. That one rice, I been una egg. When on the done, if you chook fork, put, you go make poor. Now waiting I want to chop. It is not possible. Not even when AJ Kopovai say, Benny Omoido, I got you cover for these few days when you go spend for London. Food and drink, leave them for me. Kai! I can't remove my ear from that word, from that conversation. As my dad don't call me, say, Benny Omoido, I don't they carry food they come. I say, call me, don't hesitate to call me. Maybe now from COVID-19, I they write that list, put for door. Who knows?
AJ Kopovai's wife is here.
Let's get.
Hey. If una see the food when this woman pack come, and I'm really ready to receive it because I'm super hungry.
Benjamin, come and have the AJ Kopovai brought food.
AJ Kopovai, they deliver.
And I was super hungry. Like she said, she got us cover. Yes. For these 4 days we want to stay in London. She got us cover.
They said don't order for food.
Not even come and eat. Oh.
Anybody hotel wrote they said no eating. You know, see the policy.
See guys, I can't pay for 500 and something pounds. And you asked me not to.
Almost 560. And they're saying you have to order from us.
When we entered, we saw it on the elevator that ordering food and meal outside. No, drinks and food outside is not allowed in the hotel.
No, now we still they talk say something bad, make we still they talk the good side. Now say you dey Nigeria like this, you can't word rent a room when we say you pay for 500 pounds or let's bring it down to 300 pounds. You know go come get chair sit down like your visitor not go fit sit down for your room. No, now chair go day, everything go day. You fit go buy food for outside, eat them the way you want, or even carry them enter the hotel. Yes, because I had experience before. Guys, back to the food. It was yummy, like look delicious. Rice, moi, plantain, it even carry mouth can't give us. Just wait till this one I felt me. Second me there for front. Now madam be this. I don't even wait. May water come. As I go buy water come, I was eating because the hungry and African food they call me like saying another thing. I don't feel manage another food at all. That's just my problem. You know what I mean? If it's not Turkish food,
my husband is enjoying.
But you eat swallow small now.
But for rice forever.
My husband not fit deny rice, but if it deny swallow flat.
Surprise package from AJ Kopovai.
yes, back to the story. If it's not Turkish food or Arabian food, I don't feel manage another food at all. Especially this their egg. When come they run, you go be like say you're not done inside. You took fork put, you go bust everywhere. Hey, I want to swallow them. All right. Back to inside this pot of food, guys. Every meal, every sort of swallow was inside this food. Bomo, mushroom. I say, Marisha, woman, if you want chop better food, that is it. This one are okra when they make you over hungry. Like even if your belly don't food, you go still they say bring them because it goes smoothly. No food store. Bomo, assorted cow leg, beef. Everything was inside this soup. I can't just stress myself. You can see it inside. It was delicious and delicious able. You know what I mean. Anyway, this one are food from AJ Kopovai. This one are twice in the evening as Oga like my small oga no wan chop anything Africa food. I don't know, e go come be like say dem no train am well with Africa food. My son was 8 months when I started to give am swallow. At that time they call am like mother like son. Wetin come happen now? Like, what has changed? What has really changed? I carry am say make I go hospital for UK here, say my son no dey eat oh. He say how old is he? I tell am the age. He say leave them, it's their time. Just give them anything they want to eat. Chocolate, sweet, chewing gum. I've been award sweet. Now these people want a job. I can't manage like that. Don't force them to eat, because if you go see yourself for prison, okay, I don't hear. Make her leave, and if hungry don't mama and go come back. Say, mommy, I want to eat. African mother, you don't see her, they close your nose for food for your mouth. But don't try it here. Oh. No, say I don't tell you, my hand don't deal. All right, guys, bye bye. See you in our next video. When we are coming, then how much we take rent hotel? Almost 50K, ba? 50K. There is chair, there is sitting room, there is room. Yeah, there is room. There is, everything was large. Welcome to UK.